It's a snowman.
Want to a snowman, snowman. Want to a snowman, tall, tall, tall. And the sun he melted, melted. And the sun he melted, tall, tall, tall.
Small, small, small.
Tall, 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 tall.
Molly, what are we doing?
I know.
What are you doing outside right now?
I seen him.
You're singing? What are you sitting in?
In a shed.
A sled? Did you not like going down the hill? No. What's Mommy building?
You bring it snowman.
A snowman? What kind of nose is it going to have?
Carrot nose.
Really? Are you going to give him a name? What should his name be?
Frosty snowman.
Frosty?
Frosty, he has nose.
Good.